Why your body needs saffron for a week and its unexpected health effects. 1. Antioxidant properties. Saffron contains antioxidants like crocin and safranol, which help protect your cells against oxidative stress. 2. Mood booster. Some studies suggest that saffron may help alleviate symptoms of depression, improving mood. 3. Heart health. Saffron's antioxidant properties may also reduce the risk of heart diseases by strengthening the circulatory system. 4. Memory enhancement. Saffron is known to enhance memory and learning skills, potentially beneficial for cognitive health. 5. Eye health. High in carotenoids, saffron may improve vision and eye health. 6. Skin health. Saffron's antioxidant properties can contribute to healthier skin and complexion. 7. Digestive aid. Saffron is traditionally used to soothe gastrointestinal issues, promoting better digestion. 8. Pain relief. Saffron has been used in traditional medicine as a natural pain reliever. 9. Blood sugar control. Some research suggests that saffron may help regulate blood sugar levels. 10. Weight loss. Saffron may suppress appetite and aid in weight loss efforts.